Jeez. Hey, Josh. What's up? What's up? Jeez. How old are you, Josh?
2.
2. Do you want to play with my phone for a minute?
Yeah,
Say, I sure do.
I sure do.
All right, here you go, Josh. What do you want to play?
Pictures.
Look at pictures first?
Yeah. Mom, just getting Cheetos?
That's Josh giving Cheerios? Here, show a movie. Let's see a movie. You showing a movie?
Who spin moves?
Josh, turn off the movie for a second. I want to show the soccer game. Show the soccer
With your
game.
legs like Jackson.
Show the soccer game.
With your knees like Jackson.
No, I want that.
Just show the soccer game for a second. Then you can come back and look.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Let's go to the soccer game. What are you playing around? You see where the soccer game is? Is it hiding?
Yeah.
I think it's the next page. Try the next page. Nope. Maybe go back. Sorry. Oh, no, you're right. There it is. You found it. Josh, do you know how to read?
Yeah,
Say kind of.
I want to see.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Alright, first get the soccer game started. Good job. Alright, turn this off. Show me the animals game. How can you play the animals game? Learning animals.
I want to see.
I'll show it to you, man. Here, start the game. I'll show you the video when it's done.
That's right. Find the rabbit. Way to go. Find the lion. You got it. Find the cow. Great job. Find the bee. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
Find the koala. That's right. Find the jaguar.
Guys, I'm the best.
But what?
Try it again. Oops, not that one.